Hey guys, my name's Jonathan Lamb. I'm an artist at Future Games of London, a Ubisoft studio. In this class, we're going to learn the step-by-step process of how to create an abstract low-poly planet by modeling it in Cinema 4D. Starting with a basic shape, we'll take you through all the tools and skills necessary for the project. We'll then take a look at how to render your model so that you can save it as an image or take it into programs like Adobe Photoshop where you can add some final touches to make your illustration really stand out. Some of the major topics that we'll be discussing in this class will include basic 3D modeling techniques, creating a small low-poly tree, how to add lighting to the scene, and some basic rendering techniques. By the end of the training, you will have learned how to create an abstract low-poly planet that you can use in your own illustrations or video game projects. This class is perfect for designers, illustrators, and anyone else who'd like to learn a little bit of 3D modeling to add to their designs. So sign in or sign up and let's get started.